Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to open up some giveaway winnings I won throughout the month of, well, partially it was June and some of it was July. And I'm going to link everybody's channel that I won from down in the description box below. I think I have 4 prizes here. And I just was able to get to it yet, so let's get started. But before I get started, I want to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel and my returning subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I greatly appreciate you. I greatly appreciate sharing my YouTube journey with you guys. If most of you don't know, I like to crochet and make jewelry. I do paper crafts, collaging, I'm learning junk journaling, I do resin work, diamond painting. I just do it all. And some I'm learning, and shabby chic and so on. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you, oh, and I want to learn to knit. I'm trying to learn to do that too. So let's get started real quick so I can stop boring you. So the first one I won was from Setta's Place, and this was a tea giveaway, which is perfectly fitting since I usually do tea Tuesdays. That was neat. So the first thing that was given to me was this tea time recipe, tea time book, and it has tea things in it. I thought that was cute. I do collaging. I don't know if I have the heart to do anything with this yet, so we shall see, but it's a perfectly fitting book for tea time. Yeah. Next thing I got was this Cocoa Mint Jasmine Pearl tea. It was her tea giveaway. And it's black. Let's see here. Indian black tea, Chinese tea, peppermint, carob. That sounds really good, doesn't it? I don't have an infuser, so I have to see how to work that. But Jasmine Pearl. And then I got this card. It just says, enjoy Setta, have a blessed day, and that's her saying. And if you guys saw my yarn haul from Crochet in an Agreement, the yarn I ordered was have a blessed day. That's was named after her. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then she sent me some of this chai tea. It says stick. And then black tea. I've never seen these before, so I'm gonna have to see how they work. And then she gave me some True Lemon that she puts in her teas, and then green tea latte candies, which I don't know if I can eat. It was from Rosemary You Rock Art, and she was doing a giveaway, and they were demonstrating a loom knit hat. Her sister-in-law was, so they were giving that away, and I won that one. So this is the hat that they were giving away that her sister donated and knitted. Isn't that beautiful? I love it so much. It is so pretty and so cute, and I love the sparkles. I mainly gonna give it to my daughter, so because she likes sparkles and during the winter time, so she'll like that hat. So I won that, and then I think she put a couple extra things in here. So, oh, let's see the card first. Aw, congratulations! Look at that. That little, she popped it up and everything. How cute! Congrats on winning my sister-in-law's hat. Thanks for all your love and support. You rock. Love, Rosemary. Very sweet. You're welcome. I love your channel. You're a lot of fun. Okay, let's see what else she put in here. I wasn't expecting anything else in here. So, let's see, we'll open this one first. Does she put it in this thing? How a way to cover that. Protect it, right? Ooh, I got a pokey tool. I have some of these, I haven't made them yet, but I got a pokey tool. Thank you, Rosemary. That is beautiful. And you can use it for your die cuts. You can poke out things in them. You know, the little in your die cut things. That's so cute. That's pretty. You did a beautiful job on that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She did a great job protecting that. Oh, this is super duper cute. This is one of her tassels. To Pamela, love Rosemary. You rock. Oh, Rosemary, you rock art. Oh, how cute. So it's got an ice cream cone there. And look what she did with this ice cream cone. Isn't that cute? And then look at her tassel she made. It's so pretty. Aww, I love it. Thank you so very much. This is beautiful. Thank you. I wasn't expecting this. I love your tassels, by the way. They're just gorgeous. And she has it on a ring because I'm going to hang it up. I hang up all my tassels I get or I purchase. So this is awesome that I can hang this up. That is so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're going to sit this right here in her pokey tool. Oh, I love how you put it in this. This is such a great idea. I was in with Crystal and they were doing a monthly collab in June. It was called Sunshine and Rainbows, and it was hosted by Maria Reyes and Marianne. It says, congratulations, Pamela. Thank you for your love and support. Love cruising with Crystal. Now, like I said, I'm going to link everybody's channel down below in the description box. And she stuck this wonderful card in here. And it says, may the Lord make your love increase and never flow for each other and for everyone else. Thessalonians 3:12. Oh, this is super sweet. I love this. I love these cards, guys. Just so you know. It's beautiful. And I got another pokey tool. Super duper cute. Guys, I need to get off my backside and seriously make pokey tools. I have them. I just haven't made any. Isn't that pretty? That's so cute. I have pokey tools. I mean, I have them. I just haven't made them. That's so cute. And then she made these cute bows. So she made these bows, and I'm gonna put these probably on tassels. Aren't those cute? Yeah, definitely tassels. These would look good on some tassels or cards. So thank you very much. And then she made this card. Look how she put the flowers on there and the rainbows. And it has her handmade sticker on the back. Look at this beautiful card. And it's a blank card, so you can send it to somebody. I love that. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. I'll put that right there. And then she gave me some pearl thingies. And then she made right here. This here, these rope rainbow things, which I gotta try. And keep all these stars here. Isn't that beautiful? That is so gorgeous. I love it. And the yarns on the bottom. They did such a wonderful job on these. All the ladies did. And the gentleman. There was a guy in that one too. These beautiful bows. Aren't those gorgeous? Again, you could put these on tassels or whatever. So here are the beautiful bows with the bangles on the bottom. And you use these for bag toppers or whatever. Aren't those pretty? They are so pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then we got some alphabets in the rainbow colors. You can always put those on cards or whatever you want to do with them. ATCs. Aren't those pretty? And then, let's see here. I got one more from my sweet friend Linnea at Linnea's Cozy Crafts. And she made this beautiful necklace, handmade necklace. And like I said, I'm going to link everybody's channel that I mentioned here in the description box down below. And this came really quick, actually. The one, and then I got it the next day. It was quick. But this necklace is gorgeous, guys. You gotta see it. She did such a wonderful job. Did you make this? This is beautiful. Look at those flowers. I'm so tickled you won my giveaway. 24-hour giveaway. Thank you for being such a good friend of my channel and to me, of course. Here's to growth of our channels, more importantly our bond, our friendship and other. Love, Linnea. Oh, look how beautiful that card is, guys. She made this. This is gorgeous. Look at the flowers. That is so pretty. Thank you. And I'm blessed that this is a homemade card. I love homemade cards. They are so pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I reused the tissue paper. Okay, guys, we gotta check out this necklace. She made this. Look how beautiful this is. I'm so excited. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's easy clasp too. Just connect it. Look how gorgeous this is. And she did all these wonderful beads. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? I just love it. Thank you so much, Linnea. Thank you to everyone that sent me that I won these giveaways, and it's such your homemade, beautiful, beautiful items. They're just so gorgeous. And I absolutely love this necklace. It is so pretty. I'm gonna cherish this. It's so pretty. And this was a little cat. Isn't that cute? I think this was in Linnea's package. Oh, let's put it out a little more. I thought I'd show that real quick before, because I didn't see it in there. So there we go. There's the little kitty cat. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Alright, everyone. I'm going to link everybody's channel down below in the description box. Please go check them out. Everybody does different crafting from what I see here. Well, Seta, she does crocheting, and Linnea, she does knitting, crocheting, diamond painting, cross stitching. She's an all-around crafter, and she's making tassels now and other things. She does other hauls and things like that. So please go check out Linnea, Cruising with Crystal, Rosemary You Rock. Alright, everyone, I'm gonna get off here. It's already running 18 minutes. So everyone take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.